Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the nail gun and verifying ammo. You want enough nails to finish a patch. Once done, approach the target wood panel at about 2 meters and bring the reticle to the intended nail point. You'll be more precise if you crouch or toggle aim down sights. Now squeeze the trigger in short bursts rather than a long hold so nails place cleanly into the grain. Make sure you hear the click. That confirms the gun cycled a nail into position. You continue by refining placement and preventing jams. Hold steady and use short, controlled bursts so the gun cycles each nail fully. If the surface is moving or you're adjusting for resistances, lead the point by a small margin so the nail lands where you intend. Once you notice resistance or feed hesitation, pause, tap the magazine to reseat nails, and resume. This prevents full jams. Also vary aiming heights on consecutive nails to reduce wood splitting and keep structural. You finish by driving the last nails flush with the surface. If a head stands proud, use a small punch or hammer to countersink it gently. If a jam occurs, stop firing, remove the magazine, clear the bent nail or obstruction, then reinsert and cycle an empty shot to confirm smooth feed before resuming. Make sure to inspect the nosepiece and magazine spring regularly. Replace bent nails or a damaged tip to avoid repeat jams and to keep your work clean and fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.